We are really excited here at Kinze Manufacturing to announce our new partnership with General Implement Distributors for the Western U.S. This is an exciting opportunity for us here at Kinze because this is an area where largely we have not been able to serve just due to the expanse of the geography.
Yeah, so out of 55 years of our business, this gives us access to a dealer network west of the Rockies. We've sold through a few dealers west of the Rockies up until this point, but certainly not extensively like what this is going to give us. So we're really excited about just expanding our dealer network here in North America and having access to more dealers and more farmer customers all around the U.S.
So with Kinze Manufacturing, we bring to General Implement three lines of products. We've got our planters that we've been world renowned for many, many years, grain carts, which really we started that industry back in the early days of Kinze Manufacturing, and now we've also got a line of tillage. And where that complement is going to add to General Implement's already robust line of implements and tools for the agricultural segment. Kinze is very well known for our product durability, our reliability. Our service is second to none to our dealer network and to our customers. And our innovation has always made us a leader in all three facets and all three segments of this agricultural market. So we're so excited to be a part of the General Implement family and really to bring ourselves into the fold with their customer focus and their silver service dedication.
Yeah, well, and Eric, this gives us a company to work with that's very similar to our core values. So that's why we're so excited about the partnership that we're going to have with General Implement, is because we have now two very like companies in philosophy working together, and again, to bring farmer customers the best planters, grain carts, and tillage equipment in the industry.
So General Implement really brings a lot of the same core values that Kinze has. Customer focus is one of the things that they really pride themselves on with their silver service. And with Mark Tibbetts, the president of General Implement, he's been great to work with so far. We're really excited about all of his sales and marketing folks back there in Salt Lake City and how they're going to be able to interact with Kinze and our folks here to really take most advantage of this opportunity with their dealers. I'd like for you to hear from Mark Tibbetts, president of General Implement, on their thoughts on why this is such a strategic move for them.
Mark Tibbetts here from General Implement Distributors, coming to you from Salt Lake City, Utah. Today we're excited to announce the addition of the Kinze product line to General Implement Distributors. The addition of the Kinze product line to General Implement helps to fulfill a strategic plan we've been working on for quite some time. That strategic plan was to offer a more complete lineup of products to better serve our row crop dealers and farmers. The Kinze product line will complement our current product offering, taking customers from seedbed preparation through harvest. So please join us in welcoming Kinze to the General Implement family and look for a Kinze product near you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. We're so excited to get started with General Implement, all your dealers and your customers. And for more information, we want you to feel welcome to visit kinze.com for all of our great product information and all the resources and information about our company as you get to know us as we go forward.
Yeah, thank you, Mark and General Implement. We're really excited to be working with you all.